Hey there, everybody. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies. We're talking about castor oil, a powerhouse ingredient from ancient times. Ancient civilizations used it for all sorts of ailments. Castor oil comes from the castor bean plant, which is actually a seed. This oil can work wonders for our health and well-being. From soothing digestive troubles to luscious locks, it's like the Swiss Army knife of natural remedies. Let's kick things off with one of castor oil's most well-known uses, keeping things moving. Yep, we're talking about its laxative properties. Castor oil contains a special compound called ricinoleic acid. This acid stimulates the muscles in your intestines. A small dose can work wonders if you're backed up. Start with a teaspoon and see how you feel. Always consult your doctor before using castor oil, especially during pregnancy. Safety first. Now let's move on to another one of castor oil's superpowers, fighting inflammation. You see that magical ricinoleic acid I mentioned earlier? Well, it's not just good for getting things moving in your gut, it's also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. What does that mean for you? It means castor oil can help soothe a whole bunch of aches and pains. Think sore muscles, stiff joints, even arthritis discomfort. Just warm up some castor oil, massage it onto the affected area, and feel the tension melt away. But wait, there's more. Castor oil can also help with internal inflammation. Now, I'm not saying it's a cure-all, but studies have shown that it can be beneficial for people with inflammatory bowel conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Of course, it's always best to talk to your doctor before trying any new treatment. Section 4. Castor oil for radiant skin and hair. Ready for a beauty secret that's been around for centuries? Castor oil is your new best friend for glowing skin and luscious locks. Seriously, this stuff is like a miracle worker. Let's start with the skin. Castor oil is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a dewy, youthful glow. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm irritated skin and reduce redness. And the hair benefits, don't even get me started. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish your scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. It can even help thicken your hair and reduce hair loss. Here's a little tip. Massage some castor oil onto your scalp and leave it on overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Your hair will thank you for it. Section 5. Using castor oil tips and tricks. All right, so now that you know all about the amazing benefits of castor oil, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your life. Well, fear not, because using castor oil is super easy. For constipation relief, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil on an empty stomach. You can mix it with a little juice to mask the taste, but trust me, the results are worth it. For topical use, simply warm up some castor oil and massage it onto your skin or hair. You can also find castor oil in a variety of beauty products, from shampoos and conditioners to lotions and creams. And here's a little bonus tip. Castor oil is also great for removing makeup. Just put a few drops on a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup. It's gentle, effective, and won't dry out your skin. Section 6. A drop of caution. Things to keep in mind. Now, before you run out and buy gallons of castor oil, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First of all, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. Secondly, castor oil can interact with certain medications, so it's always best to talk to your doctor before using it, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. And finally, while castor oil is generally safe for topical use, it's important to do a patch test first to make sure you're not allergic. Section 7. Embrace the power of castor oil. Well, there you have it. The incredible benefits of castor oil, from easing constipation to promoting healthy skin and hair. This ancient remedy truly is a gift from nature. So, are you ready to unlock the power of castor oil? Remember, always start slow, listen to your body, and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. And that's our show for today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on shining. Don't forget to like and subscribe.